What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Face, and I got friends. And it's been like so long without me doing a vlog. I'm trying to vlog. I'm trying to make content. I'm trying to do something, you know. So today I did some TikToks. You know, like the previous videos, bruh. So I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but anyways, it's about me doing like my everyday life without faking anything, you know. Travis by now, ngiyake ngiphume loud. Ngiyake ngenze loud, bro. Ngiyake ngitune loud. Athi awuphuma. First video la ngiyakhumbula la. Eyangu-2. Namhlushoti sim-adoptile.
I didn't adopt it. Endleleni.
Sim-adoptile. We have children. Thina abanye sorry. Umthabi yazi into ezingcine ngafika phela kulobhengula street le. Ayinona umbona uthe umthabi gazi ngiyambuza. Umthabi ungafika etown umfone. Uthi ngizabona. Ubonani? Yikho ubuhayi ukujuzeleni so manje nathi ubuza ngidinga so mabuza yikho phela bemeza ukukhuluma uthi Jake angikho sure bemeza ukukhuluma phela uthi angikho sure umbikela message nga ngwabonile ungitshela into zakho bengikukhangi kwakumfonela ngathi bengikwathi nizakufonela sifuna umthabi sabe sefuna ukukhala ga iphone le voice yakhe highlight manini kuranza mina shebeze ngenze nje yakade tsesenze le shop ka manager zomthabisi je ukazona ukholwana wena sithi Thazi ngangimtshela Thaye she completes me completes you akusikho kudla mfanami inkazana kakho ngakusuthisi mfanami ngakutshela jana laye khala lesebe kudlala Thabe futhi into yakho lothiwa wena uthi uyafeel ukuthi uyacheata akula nto vele uyakuchithela nje sukwazi kunento oyibonileyo post umfana wenze
angathi ngakuchasisela nje
Bari kurata mina wena ngofebera
Kotroa tell us how you feel in Thabisi. How do you feel about your situation whereby they are trying to
my friends so
Uchawu uthazuthenga ntawa kaze lokudinge kahle
Ubani Namthabisi you are now getting out of hand. Khathi chika abantu izitina lezi uthi sicazimile bakwenza nje.
wena ngosufuna kube obvious.
Yazi kulama ama-Afrika ngena into yabo phambili lapha balapha phambili ukuguge nje.
But lapho ngathi run.
Kanti lapha sokucazimula. Hayi. Khaba vele kuma ninja oyeswe.
Adana liyazi
Inkosi yakuthi futhi ngale.
Khaba vele sambe vele ukuthi sisuka kude.
boyfriend amkhokha ngothanda
Sisuka kude.
Ukasijayela la ncaze lichate sabe sikuvakatshele endlini sifike siranze
Njengoshothi sebe sisidla ukudla kwakhe. Sabe singalandi litho bharu ukudla kwethu. Sabe silanda ukudla kwethu.
Dami akuvuba ko
Akhumula bothola chi sasithi singakhombisa amankazana.
Tholi imali.
Thwalo velo lemali.
Njengeka
Sasaka ngikhona ngize ngithi sasaka ngikhona ngithi Jake maybe ngikhombise manje Friday ngiyamisithi birthday yami kuzothanda ngithengele ipresent. Sifike siluhla nje bayabamthengele ikheke nje ngubhobhu nje. Saliyenzani? Wena bamnika le $10 phezulu. Sashiya $5. Do.
ozoba nemali yanesayidobhe esithori yakhumbula.
Kodwa imali.
Phansi ndoda mbeyiswa umama lababe balekela amakhokho bakusase ngamabhola.
Oh. Ukumaninja phela
bengikhulumisa
siyahamba so sithi uba
kude bengikhulumisa hlala yakhulumisa
yabe kucheck andawe short akutshela ngezigqoko zeni zesheni lezi
wena sisikhona
but
mtyobe.
ku right the embarrassment konke umuntu phana sesikhangele wena
Ukuthi content.
Asho ukuthi sesibophe na.
Alright, parkafana vele ngasibo.
kopela ubusubopha
Athi sathi into. Asodonjera ngani?
avele bemfuthile
Asingwani mama usongo.
kuba kunengi into ngeke bemfuna ukuzikhuluma
Athi sithi wangijali kusakhuma ngokho.
oh yabe kuchecka phela ku right usabe kuchecka
Wathi amfuni ukuthi bendiye lo.
nguyotsho njalo sekuncenga
Wathi hayi utata ligama isiluzi.
look at these white people they are white people
Mayiphepha kusuka mfana.
khala abantu cheki sewungani umbe ngenze enye into exclusive yes I'm shooting content madala do not look at me like that
Wabuya phela lamashini.
ngabona ama video siyabona umntana wakhe
Uba
ama-picture siyabona umntana wakhe
laphana.
uhlala emthanda umntana wakhe
Laphana mina ngifila wayefila ukuthi ekaphela.
asikhoneni lapha
Ungakucabanga. Ozodinga omunye ukhazini wakhe la ethi ukhazini wakhe ekhaya kanjani. Ozodinga wena sambokhela semakhanya ngicela
ndoda uhlahla nje wayesihambisa ndoda umntana sakhe sawukhayeleka idiye sahlela
Doda, khapho kwakulelo kuzenini esikole kunama-sports ngaphandle namele.
Oh, that's it.
bakhumula beze bemchiye ezagijimela ithayweni isikolo intumbane wakwagijimela intumbane phela uhlahla bamchiya njani kuthiwa mfana mbele lapha mfana mi kule future semfuna uqalisa ukutrain ezizefuna uqalisa ukutrain
Anti lapha wangihambisa laphana. Ayi. Sisambile ukuze nini? Sisedinga ukhazini wakhe nalo.
so wamthola
Wamthola wambona.
even though ungikazana nayo khana thiwa kuba nithwala umathwala
Lokhani emihle. Ngihlala ngikhulumisa.
la mgaya ke ngikhulumise Kahlala simtshela sithi thwala washa
Omele umuhle, sithi umele umuhle nje singusunjani
yo muhle sorry short ish this is a little child you are going with the fragile child
Yes, I'm a fragile child.
going with the fragile child najengande nkwilimba nje
What's that? Ungapho
Zafa
sinethatha
zonke.
shu. Abanye guys, amele sibhale ibhuzu, amele kanjani?
for the documentary kwakuyimovie
Hayi, lapha sasipila ibhayisikopho sini. Wayelethwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi azosiphilisa ibhayisikopho mfana. Le irabo sinenhlahla.
wena ndilaphana lalina la lingamakhosikazi thaye mina wife number 1 sebevayelisa ekhisa umamlambo phinde ekhise lo thambani sineke wathi ngumabali ma wena ndingumamlambo thambani uvuyiswa wayengumabali makhumalo
Apha lapha amakhunga amphuca indoda lapha.
right wamphuca indoda right under her nose ekhangele
sadlali because it deleted so much. Ngumbulali, akhumbula i-era leyani. Kuthiwa makhuya bulala.
I still don't know what I'm gonna like.
Utata muze sithi
And now,
sa bana futhi nsethu uma afikathi yasimakhu
Karen yinto vela amyalelayo yena unhlanhla. Umakhungu yathi kasakwanisi.
makhu wathi hey amsebela le boyfriend ngeke ngabhizwa yini.
Sometimes fana mina
Mara phakathi kasesipasenta.
asho ukuthi kuwezi dalo ukuthi sipasent angikwazi ngakho na.
Lapha singene khona phela.
Sometimes lawo bukwazi.
ndoda ngikutshela ngayi bangigera lapha bangigera ichapha
Oh,
So
kula munye ogera kude.
yikho lapha yogera khona.
Hamba ogere lokhu zentayini lokhu zenilane se. Lana se vista la.
angena
Phansi laphana.
Lomdala ogera kude jawu.
Lapha naziyamitha lapha I'm recommending places that I don't know because it's me and haircuts.
Yebo.
Oho.
Yebo. My man is beautiful.
Ayijeke relax lekhonga ama-skyscrapers.
Nalamandle kanjani?
Mthabe sikhuluma mana ngorecord umtshele ukuthi awumsaka.
angimsamo uthamu mina eke yenze silly mistake engiabhuzela ushort qanda lethu lelo
Ukhuluma uthi ungamfaki.
Wena uyisaba.
Mina ngendawo bra, mina ngilwi.
Awu.
Mthabe singwela mtshele.
angiyili kodwa ngimsaba
Ah.
yes bengangiabhuzela ushort
Yezwa.
yes
Shot yabo usuwedwa sebekubhula khona.
Yezwa sidathaza abakhababa.
Sebekubhula khona.
Alana yeyisai khona lathi angathama.
Asiphele into zezulu ezikubelelanga. We'll be back. Hey, we are back again with another video. Hey, what's up in the room?
Le mali nengifeza lapha ukhala.
Lama. Manje zokugada le. Yo? Phinda mana ngicela uphinde into ekhulumile. Ngicela uphinde into ekhulumile. Hayi, phinde into ekhulumile utheni? Phinde into ekhulumile utheni?
yena
Yazi ukuthi ucela ukuthi ngenzeni. Ucela ukutheni airtime.
fana uyashuta letha
Linyangelo uzenzela. Asifuze beyajeka amathabala amakhava ama-iPhone 8 since you are twin brothers. Abebuza lapha. Baravela bala. Shothi kulo munye umuntu ngangangala ogqoke iphephu so. Esengizibuza ukuthi kare kwenzakalanda. Asatholakali vele mthanda. Makhava.
maybe vele la next coming 1 year kuyabe songasangeni kwaThapha
Mina in the next weeks I'll be not having this.
6 local again.
6 I'm bored. Ayangena kodwa umkaya kadela.
who knows man maybe ngayitshintsha anytime soon
I just qeda ukondla omunye umuntu. Qeda ukondla omunye.
We have friends like mine.
Uyibona i-thumbnail yangikhona. Ubona ukuthi zayenza angeke ngifake iface yakho but almost like iface yakho 20k so zabona i-thumbnail yami today's thumbnail very good.
Yes.
Mina phela ngifake ku-camera kwenzela ukuthi abantu bebone ukuthi mangondla umuntu like ngiqeda ukondla omunye umuntu.
We have friends like mine.
Shuthi phela nje kukhuluma phela nje kamadila hamba wona ifoni uyafuna mba ifoni.
Ngiyifuna phela ngeke ufuna ifoni niye lapho. Alusimala
Now I'm just trying it.
hamba phela nisinile kwalo.
hayi ke unganyamalala ngengena
Ninyamalelani mina ndo face. Athi simile kwalo face ngazi nyamalelo face.
And I'm Thabiso.
Right, asante.
Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Like, share, comment and subscribe. And so ngikhulume kahle but today I'm saying it nice. Like, comment, share and subscribe. So I'm post I bought my friends a cake.